Have you ever dreamed of standing face to face with Japan's most iconic landmark? Today, we're taking you to Mount Fuji and the charming lakeside town of Kawaguchiko, one of the very best places to experience this legendary peak. Watch till the end for a unique fact about Fuji that most travelers don't know. Mount Fuji isn't just Japan's tallest mountain. It's a cultural icon, a sacred site, and a bucket list view you'll never forget. The best vantage points are found in Kawaguchiko, a relaxed town just 2 hours from Tokyo, making it the perfect day trip or weekend getaway. Getting here is easy. From Tokyo's Shinjuku station, hop on a highway bus directly to Kawaguchiko station, or take the JR Chuo line to Otsuki and transfer to the scenic Fujikyu railway. If you're coming from Kyoto or Osaka, take the Shinkansen to Mishima station, then catch a bus to Kawaguchiko. Travel time is around 3 to 4 hours depending on your route. Once you arrive, the adventures begin. Take a peaceful cruise on Lake Kawaguchi, ride the Mount Fuji Panoramic Ropeway for sweeping views, or explore the charming streets lined with cafes, hot springs, and local crafts. In spring, cherry blossoms frame the mountain. In autumn, fiery red leaves turn the area into a painter's dream. And in winter, you'll often see Fuji capped in brilliant white snow. If you're hungry, don't miss Hoto Noodles, a hearty local specialty that's perfect after a day of exploring. And for culture lovers, the Kawaguchiko Music Forest Museum and the Itchiku Kubota Art Museum are hidden gems worth visiting. Here's that unique fact I promised. While Mount Fuji last erupted in 1707, geologists say it's still considered an active volcano. So technically, you're gazing at a sleeping giant. So, would you hike to the summit or enjoy Fuji's beauty from the lakeside below? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Before You Explore, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure.